friends, I am Nadila Mohanan. I am studying 5th standard in GVHSS Virnagav School. I am 10 years old. My father's name is Mohanan. My mother's name is Lali. My father is a driver. My mother is a housewife. I have a sister. Her name is Nandana. She is studying 12th standard. My class teacher's name is Soumya teacher. My ambition is IAS. My hobby is drawing. My favorite color is red color. My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite food is dosa and sambar. My favorite pet is dog. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am going to say about myself, family, school, teachers, etc. My name is Karthika BM. I am studying in 5th standard. My hobby is fish culture and drawing. My father's name is Biju. He is a carpenter. My mother's name is Mini. She is a housewife. And here my sister is Bismaya. Studying in 8th standard. My school is Government VHSS Virnagav. My school is very beautiful. I love my school. My school HM is Damodaran sir. My class teacher is Soumya teacher. My class teacher support me to everything. I love my class teacher. I love all teachers. I have more friends. I play with my friends. I enjoy my school days. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Naina. I am studying 6th standard in Government VHSS Virnagav School. Today I am reading a text. A glass of milk. One day a poor boy was selling goods from door to pay his way through school. It was a hot day and he felt tired and hungry. He had only one thin dime left with him. He decided not to ask for a meal at the next house forever. He lost his nerve when a lovely young woman opened the door. Instead for a meal, he asked for some water. He thought he looked hungry and so brought him a large glass of milk. He drank it slowly and then asked, "How much I owe you?" "You don't owe anything," she replied. "Mother has taught us never to accept pay for acts of kindness." He said, "Then I thank you from my heart." As Howard Henley left the house, he not only felt stronger physically, but his faith in God and men was also strengthened. He had decided to give up and quit. Years later, that woman came old and critically ill with an unknown disease. The local doctors are baffled. They finally sent her to the big city where they called in specialties to study her rare disease. Dr. Howard Kelly was called in for the consultation. When he released her and the town she came from, a strange light filled his eyes. Immediately he rose and went down the hall of the hospital of her room. Dressed in his doctor gown, he went in to see her. He recognized her at once. He went back to the consultation room determined to do his best to save her life. From that day, he gave special attention to the case. After a long struggle, the battle was won. Dr. Kelly requested the business office to pass the bill to him of approval. He looked at it, then wrote something on the edge, and the bill was sent to her room. She feared to open it, for she was sure it would take the rest of her life to pay for it all. Finally, she looked at it and something caught her attention on the side of the bill. She read the words, paid in full with 1 glass milk. Dr. Howard Kelly. Tears of joy flooded her eyes as her happy heart prayed. Thank you, God, that your love is shed abroad, thought, forehead, and hands. Thank you, all of you.
Hi everyone, my name is Kanjana. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I am going to read textbook. The story name is Master of Game. An old man who lived in a small side street in the city of Mumbai had to put up with the noise of having boys play cricket outside his house at night. One evening when the noise rose high, he went out to walk to the boys. He explained that he was a pensioner who was happy to see or hear boys playing his favorite game, cricket. He said he would give them 25 rupees each week to play in the street at night. The boys were thrilled. They were being paid to do something they enjoyed. At the end of the first week, they knocked at the old man's house and asked to pay. He did so. The second week, when they asked for payment, he said he had run out of money and sent them away with only 50 rupees. The third week, the man said he had not yet received his pension and gave them only 10 rupees. The boys were disappointed, but there was not much they could do about it. The fourth week, the man said he could not afford to pay them 25 rupees as he had promised, but would give them 5 rupees each week without fail. This was too much for boys. You expect us to play even days, 7 days a week for just 5 rupees, they yelled. They stormed away and never played on the street again. Thank you.
How are you? My name is Ashwati David. Now I am going to read my textbook. The Song of Songs. Slowly, gently, the exhausted musician laid his tambura on the carpet. The exquisite strains of Rag Dabari still vibrated within the hall. Emperor Akbar looked up. His eyes lit the admiration. Wonderful, he said. Superb. I listen to you every day, but I can't seem to have enough. Tansen, the musician, bowed in silent gratitude. I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world, said Akbar. But I don't, Shahanshah, said Tansen with a smile. There is someone who sings far better than I do. Really? Cried the disbelieving Akbar. Then I must have him sing in my court. Can you arrange it? Tansen shook his head. I am afraid he will not come, sir. What? Not even if he hears that the emperor himself summoned him. No, not even then. This reply would have encouraged any other emperor. But Akbar was different. Very well, Ustaji, said Akbar, smiling into Tansen's half-scared eyes. If he doesn't come, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him? Yes, sir, provided you do not come as the emperor of Hindustan. I shall go as a humble lover of music. Sant Haridas was the man Tansen had spoken of.
Hi everyone, today I am going to introduce myself. My name is Kanjana SR. I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is Government VHSS Virnakavu. I am 13 years old. My father name is Shibu. Yes. My mother's name is Rajashree V. Yes. My father is a electrician. My mother is a housewife. I have a brother. His name is Karthikeyan. He was studying in 9th standard. I have a grandfather. His name is V. Srikandan Nair. I have a grandmother. She's name is Shashikumari K. My class teacher name is Radha Kumari. My hobby is singing and read textbook. My ambition is become a teacher. Thank you.
Elephant. One day, an elephant wandered into a jungle in search of friends. He saw a monkey on a tree. Elephant said, "Will you be my friend?" Monkey replied, "You are too big. You can't singing from trees like me." Next day, he met a rabbit. "Will you be my friend?" "Rabbit, you are too big. You can't play in my burrow." Then he went a frog. "Please make friendship with me." "Frog, how is it possible? You are too big. You can't leap about like me." Elephant was upset. At first appeared. He asked her, "Will you be happy to have a friend like me?" "First, said, sorry, sir, you are too big." The next day, the elephant saw all the animals were running for their lives. Elephant asked the first was, "What is?" The mother first replied, "There is a lion and he is trying to kill all at us." All the animals were running away to hide. Me, will the lion kept eating up whoever he could find. The elephant went to the lion and said, "Please, Master Lion, about eat up all these poor animals." Lion replied, "Mind your own business." The elephant had no choice but to give the lion a hearty kick. The frenzy trained lion ran fast. His legs leaped. The elephant ambled back into the jungle and announced the good news to all the animals. Then led him and said, "So you are just the right size to be our friends." His legs leaped. The elephant ambled back into the jungle and announced the good news to all the animals. Then led him and said, "So you are just the right size to be."
My name is Vaishnavi VN. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Government VHSS Virnakavar. Unit 1. The Mirror. The Island. Long, long ago, a fisherman and his wife lived on an island. It was a lonely island. The people of the island learned a quiet and simple life. They had no electricity, no phone, no television, no newspaper. They had no hairbrush, no mirrors either. The only way the islanders came to know about the world outside was through the ships that passed the island. The sailors in the ship throw old worn out toothbrush, broken buckets, torn shoes, etc. into the sea. When these things came ashore, the people of the island collected them. Father comes a leaf. One day the fisherman was walking along the seashore after the death of his father. It was for the first time he was going out. Oh, my father, how loving he was, he thought. Never can I see him again. Suddenly a flash of light fell on his eyes. Something shining was lying on the sand. He picked it up and looked at it. He had never seen such a thing before. He saw a face in it. He was scared. He threw it away. But after a while, he walked towards it again. He picked it up and swayed the face in it again.
Hi friends, I am Sneha SS. I am studying 5th standard in Government VHSS Veeranaka School. My mother name is Suja S. My father name is Santosh Kumar CS. I have a brother. His name is Sanjay SS. He is studying in 1st standard. My class teacher name is Saumya teacher. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite flowers rose and jasmine. My hobby is drawing and reading books. Thank you.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Thank you. Good morning, all of you. Respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Anashra. I am studying in 5th standard from Government VHS Veeranaka High Secondary School. Today, to speak a few words about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a great freedom fighter and great politician of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as the Iron Man of India. He was born on 31st October 31st October 1875 in Gujarat, India. The full name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was Sardar Vallabhbhai Jawharbhai Patel. His father's name was Jawharbhai Patel, who was a farmer. His mother's name was Ladba Patel, who was a housewife. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first Home Minister. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Armed Forces and served as the same from 15th August 1947 to 15th December 1950. He is not only played a pivotal role in the India's struggle for independence, but also played the most crucial role in the India's struggle for independence. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel died on 15th December 1950. The Statue of Unity is built as the memorial in the Iron Man of the India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is located in the Gujarat, India. The world highest and tallest statue. Thank you.